Living in cramped quarters calls for some innovative problem solving. Smart storage solutions, creative space organization, and deciding what belongs in your house are all challenges you must face. Bedrooms, no matter how small, are a great blank slate for expressing one's unique style through decor. Small bedroom ideas abound, so it won't be hard to find something that works for you when you start looking for references. This time, we'll discuss 10 small bedrooms with inspiring DIY cabinet ideas to complete and win over your bedroom organization challenges. Enriching our bedroom video collections, SimHome presents you with the list. Number 10. A corner slim bed side cabinet idea. To construct the new closet, fasten a 1/2-inch MDF board to the wall. This is half of a whole sheet of MDF, so it's 24.5 inches wide. You can have them cut at Home Depot. You can install one shelf at the top and one hanging rod for longer garments in the closet on your right. The outside of the left closet is the same as the one on the right. However, inside there are two separate bars for hanging shorter garments. They add up to around 69 inches of overall hanging space. That's a gain of over 10 inches compared to the room's original wardrobe, which is now shelf and drawer storage. Ultimately, the price per unit was around $168. Number 9. A bedroom cabinet with a bifold door. Small bedrooms have space issues, thus bifold your large, hefty cabinet door when possible. Acquiring a bifold door hardware kit is your first requirement. It's economical and customizable. After buying the hardware, inform your kit and doors, making them suitable for the opening. Install the non-mortise hinges using self-centering drill bits to succeed on your first attempt. After that, measure your door, cut your frames, and insert your ornamental pieces. One thing, add new track hardware to make it more functional. Number 8. A compact bed idea with storage behind the curtain. A compact bedroom benefits tremendously from having a cupboard underneath the bed with curtains. To give the illusion of space, choose a curtain the same color as the wall. Using simple boards, you can construct a bed cabinet like this to match your space's aesthetic. However, it would be best if you made it the same size as your bed or around 1 inch broader than your bed. Also, take into account the height. If you need to get up onto the bed, you can use the drawers as steps. Number 7. The headboard cabinet idea. As usual, assemble your top unit after gathering materials, measuring, and creating a cut list. Continue constructing the top unit frame once you have pre-cut the plywood, poplar, and walnut pieces with a table saw. Get your storage unit set up. Please note that this assembly is simpler if completed in multiple steps rather than all at once. Next, you'll want to fasten your trim into place. Put together the table's inner and outer frames and then fasten the table's skirt to the frames. One thing, table legs should be marked, worked on, and attached before moving on to the headboard. If you want to add doors, consider using a sliding door. Number 6. A semi-built-in storage idea. Create the illusion of built-in wall-to-wall storage by reassembling the complete cabinetry system before securely attaching it. Test the fit of the assembled cabinets by leaning them against the wall. In the image, the homeowner built a storage wall using the section cabinet system from IKEA. To give it a more finished look, he added faux wood doors from Semi-Handmade, a company that customizes IKEA cabinetry. Mounting the fold-down bed to the wall studs is accomplished using an aluminum mounting kit purchased from murphybeds.com. Talking about bedroom storage, to complete your learning experience, you may need to check out our featured article titled 10 Ideas on How to Deal with a Narrow Wardrobe after this video ends. The resource offers you a unique proposal you may not have heard of before, such as a floor-based and suspended system idea. Check it out, and we hope you'll be able to handle your bedroom clutter more quickly than you usually do. Number 5. A built-in bed idea with an extra cabinet. A closet storage bed component in the project costs $480. To detail, before choosing a dormer bed location, measure it. Use the mattress dimensions to calculate how much space you can get for the 2-drawer units on either side. If you're ordering new cabinets, always double-check your measurements. If your cabinet has a 3/4 inch reveal on its front, you can use the rip-down 1x4s to finish the bed's frame after installing the cabinets. Anna White shares the tutorial on constructing an underbed trundle drawer beneath the bench. Number 4. The DIY Floating Nightstand idea for a small bedroom. Using a miter saw, cut the materials down to almost their final dimensions. Keep them a little longer to trim later. It's best to attach the rear panel and the drawer to the back burner. With the panel still clamped, you can run them through the planer again to get them to their final proportions. Ensure to add mitered corners to any panel you'll use to construct the nightstand box. Using a miter saw, cut out the panel and then attach it to the nightstand's back with pocket holes, screws, and wood glue. When installing the French cleat system, insert the panel into the nightstand so it fits. To achieve the safest result for the final step, you better choose a French cleat system from Hangman Products. Number 3. The adorable fold-down table to double your bedroom office area with a chalkboard bonus. The DIY folding table requires a 3/4-inch plywood top and 1x2 boards for construction, legs, and support boards. The sample used oak. Paint wood, then frame the boards. Tie a board to the cabinet front lower. To avoid tabletop penetration, verify your drill bit's depth setting before starting. Make a piano hinge on the tabletop's back edge. After cutting the legs and crossbars, use flat bracing to connect the 4 components at the front and back corners. Ensure the piano hinges table base to the top. Add locking drop-leaf supports on either side to keep your makeshift wall desk legs in place. Structure the folding leg to support the chalkboard and paint it when desired. Number 2. A hidden storage cabinet idea under your floorboard. If you need more storage but don't want the area to look cluttered, a hidden cabinet like the one shown above is a great option. You can whip this up with just some wood boards and hinges in no time. Simply build a cube and cut a hole in the top. Put in a steel bar to support the door when it's open. And lastly, hide your new cube somewhere inconspicuous, such as beneath or beside the bed. If the project is impossible to copy, you can Floyd your bed frame and enjoy new storage without touching your floorboard, which could cost you more than $500 and some legal trouble if your bedroom space is a rental. The Floyd solution will cost you around $380. Before we complete the countdown with our final choice of the current list, we'd like to inform you that if you need other improvement ideas, you have Simp-Home Content Collections on your side. There, we cover other interesting topics such as garden, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrade, bedroom update ideas, and many more. We'll see you there, and until we meet again sometime in the future, let's close our countdown with number 1. Adopt the Rustic DIY Chimney Cabinet to max your sloped bedroom space or near window space. This cupboard has a closed storage space with a door and 2 removable shelves at the base of the cabinet. It's an excellent safe for rolled towels, periodicals, and other reading materials. There are 2 movable shelves and an open bookcase in the upper part of the cabinet. A variety of items like books, plants, and decorative accessories would look wonderful here. You can use the Craig shelf pin jig to make holes in the carcass of the cabinet at regular intervals, allowing the shelf to be moved around as needed. After you drill the holes, you can set shelf pins to keep the shelves in place. Last, drill through the jig's guides after clamping it to the board. That's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching the video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Like the video if you believe it will motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly though, it's more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project. See you again soon.